I'm going to go into showing you how to brew a sticky chai on the stove top. Now this is a traditional Indian chai brewing method that I'm going to show you, and you can use all our masala chai blends using this method. So let's get into it.